In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, step by step, that's what I did. I promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and I earned $250 in commission just in few days. Okay, it's easy and simple, easy money, guys. I'm going to share with you step by step for beginners how we can sign up to Fiverr affiliate and how you can create your first Fiverr affiliate link that you can promote on Pinterest, which services you should promote on Pinterest. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see over here, this is my commission. Okay, so for beginners who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, like this, click on the first link over here. Okay, and sign up by using your email address. It's easy and simple. You just need to sign up by using your email address, and that's up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to come to this page, scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website if you scroll down if you want to see commission, how much you will earn for each service you will promote. Fiverr affiliate link, Fiverr affiliate program, they are paying a lot of money for their affiliate services. Okay, let's see commission. If you click on see commission and you scroll down, you can see it's from 50 to up to $115 just for one. If one person buy your affiliate service, buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money, guys. Okay, if you scroll down, those services, as you can see over here, for $15, graphic and design, data science, mobile apps, $14 for those services, website builders, lyrics, music videos, data processing, game development, $13 for e-commerce product videos, products animation, SEO, t-shirt, and so on. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions over here. You will choose your country and choose your language. Put your Skype here if you don't have Skype, just click on next, and that's it. You just need to answer a few questions and that's all. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page. Okay, go back to your Fiverr home page, click on the search and search for Pinterest ads. Okay, like this, because we will promote services on Pinterest. That's why I choose Pinterest ads, because people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to use this service. Okay, so you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Make sure to choose good sellers. So choose, for example, level 1 seller, top rated seller, pro sellers, and so on. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose top rated seller, this seller over here. Click on his affiliate, on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile like this. Okay, what you need to do now is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, like this. Click over here and put your affiliate link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to copy this link from here and go back to your Pinterest account. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest, it's easy and simple. Go to Google, okay, then search for Pinterest like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and make sure to choose business account, not personal account. You need to choose business account. Okay, then this, after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, this should be your home page on Pinterest. Click over here, click on home feed. Okay, click on create pin. Okay, like this. Then click over here on choose a file. Okay, like this. And okay, so I didn't upload the image of this affiliate service. Go back to this Fiverr profile page that you copy his link. Okay, click on his machine, click on his picture like this, double click and save this image. Okay, I'm gonna save this image. I'm gonna name it, for example, Fiverr affiliate, for example, save. Okay, it's easy and simple. Let's go back to Pinterest, click on this icon over here and upload your picture. Okay, like this. Okay, it should be like that. Okay, then you need to put your title here. What you need to do, just go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr and you can copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, that's what I did for my affiliate service. Okay, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys. Paste like this, scroll down, link. Okay, so you need your affiliate link here. Let's go back to Fiverr affiliate page over here. This is my affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link. Okay, then go back. As you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. You can use this website. I always use this website, Bitly. You can make your affiliate links short. Okay, and you can sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. Of course, I'm using it for free. Just go to Google, search for Bitly and sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on create new link, put your link here, click on create, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. I'm gonna copy this affiliate link, go back to Pinterest, and I'm gonna put this affiliate link here like this, and you need to choose a board. Okay, so I already have this for top services. If you don't have, click over here on create a board. It's easy. You just need to give it name. So for example, let's give it Fiverr. Let's name it Fiverr affiliate. For example, keep this board. Okay, create. And here you go. You just created your board. It's easy. Okay. Scroll down. You can search for tags here. What you need to do, go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down. Here you go. You can see here related tags. Okay, you need to copy this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this Pinterest pins and put this tag here, okay, like this. Go back to his profile page, copy this one. You need to copy these tags and you can use it to rank your Pinterest page on the first page of the search, okay, so you can get traffic. So for example, I'm gonna just use this, okay. So what you need to do, let me see over here, okay, click over here on publish, and your Pinterest pin will be published and your affiliate service will be published on Pinterest. That's how we can promote. Let me see, view, okay, here you go. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description, okay. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic, okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will still post new videos coming soon, okay, about Fiverr affiliates and about YouTube and how we can start faceless YouTube channels, okay. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and see you in my next video.